Vinci has made a name for itself with truly smart headphones. Version 1.5 brought brains to over-the-ear design, and now it's time for the next chapter. With Jules, Wang, I'm Jaime Rivera with Pocketnow, taking you to a visit of the Vinci booth at CES 2018. What is Vinci, you ask? Well, back in 2016, it ran a successful Kickstarter campaign for its first Bluetooth headset concept, called the Vinci 1.5. It had large screens that put out neat visualizations while playing music, and users could touch the display to control their music. All that may be a little too high profile for some people, so instead of big screens, the new Vinci 2.0 has small screens on either end of the wide neckband. The surface that comes into contact with skin is made of elastomer, while the outside is made of sweat-resistant steel placed through vapor deposition, something the Pebble Steel had. The Vinci 2 still doesn't use buttons for music or volume controls. Instead, each earbud is equipped with motion sensors that detect up and down, back and forth movements to change loudness and track selection. While fully funded, the Kickstarter campaign is still on for the next few days as of this post, so you'll be able to find options for onboard storage of 8 or 32 gigabytes, noise cancellation, and even 3G antennas, though all variants will work with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to connect to your major music services like Amazon, SoundCloud, and Spotify. Speaking of Amazon, Alexa is also on board for over 15,000 skills for your service, and it can pass along notifications too. I mean, we're living in an age of AI after all. Full retail pricing starts at $149, but up until midday on Sunday, January 14, Kickstarter discounts can take it down to $89. You can learn more by hitting Pocketnow.com or the link in the description below. In the meantime, follow us on social media, subscribe to our channel for more content from CES 2018. You can follow Jules Wang at @Jules on Twitter. You can follow me at Jaime_Rivera on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I am Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.